fantastic atmosphere. Everybody's involved and engaged, and great to see the country clubs down here as well. A lot of people haven't sailed on these boats before. Yesterday we had a team never stepped on them. They finished equal second yesterday, so kudos to them. Team worked well, and we picked a few nice shifts up breeze and downwind, moving around a little bit. It's very, very exciting. Opportunities going forward are just incredible. Just watch this space. There's going to be lots of exciting things happening, and I just wish I was 16 again.